Hello everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company is specialized in the common real diesel parts, and today I will introduce one type of our fuel injectors to you. Okay, then please follow me. Let's take a look. The outside package is a brown box, and on the one side, let's check here. This is our label, and label information included the product code is 0950006353, and this is a QR code. If some customers, if you want to customize the services, yep, and we can help you to design the logo, label, the packaging bags, and so on. That's the inside. The inside part, actually we had two layers. The first layer is the transparent. It can be avoid some damages during the transportation. The second layer is the VCI anti-rust bags. And also, we will attach with this explanation. They're listed with several cautions in different language version. Wow, that's the inside product. Okay, for this one is applicable for the HINO. Okay. And then let's check the details. First, you will see the solenoid valve part, and from this part. And here, this is the plug. Yes, and this is a small QR code on here. The plug. On this part, you will see some model numbers in here. Each of our items before we send to you will make this 3 times common real test. After we test it, we'll send to you. This is the inject nozzle. We use this one to cover it, protect it. And also, we Shumatt supply the 6-month warranty time to our customers. So during this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, contact us. We can return it to exchange your product for you. Okay, that's all. If you want to know more, please send us back the comments, or you can leave your WhatsApp or your emails. It's okay. And at the end of the video, you will see our company and phone number and our connect with. Yes, feel free to contact us. And each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like our videos, could you please follow us at our channel? Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.